Meaning of Ella Fitzgerald.
Ella Fitzgerald.
Ella Fitzgerald.
Ella Fitzgerald.
Ella Fitzgerald. Ella Fitzgerald was an American jazz singer widely known as the First Lady of Song and the Queen of Jazz. Born in 1917, she began her career in the 1930s and went on to become one of the most celebrated singers of the 20th century. Her vocal range and improvisational skills made her a pioneer of scat singing, and she recorded over 200 albums during her lifetime. She won 14 Grammy Awards and received numerous other honors for her contributions to music. Fitzgerald passed away in 1996, but her legacy continues to inspire musicians around the world.